Welcome to the Advanced Firefighting Module on Fire Detection and Extinguishing Systems and Equipment, a critical component of shipboard safety and compliance with SOLAS and Classification Society requirements. In this session, we will develop the competence required under STCW Section A6S/3, specifically focusing on inspecting fire detection and extinguishing systems and equipment in compliance with performance specifications and applicable legislation, classifying systems and equipment that may be serviced on board, and determining which require servicing ashore, maintaining onboard serviceable equipment in accordance with both manufacturer guidelines and regulatory requirements, and finally, applying these principles in a fire emergency involving dangerous goods, using the IMDG code as our framework. Fire detection systems are the ship's earliest line of defense. These systems continuously monitor accommodation spaces, machinery areas, cargo spaces, and control stations. Filipino officers and ratings routinely check smoke detectors, heat detectors, flame detectors, manual call points, and alarm indicator panels. Under SOLAS Chapter 2.2, these systems must provide immediate visual and audible alarms to alert the crew of abnormal conditions that may lead to fire. When inspecting fire detection systems, the crew ensures that 1. All detector heads are clean and unobstructed. 2. Fire doors and dampers respond correctly to alarms. 3. Alarm panels show proper status indicators and no faults. 4. Manual call points trigger alarms correctly. These inspections must comply with performance specifications, SOLAS requirements, and manufacturer technical documentation. Fire extinguishing systems vary according to the class of fire and the area protected. These include portable extinguishers, fixed CO2 systems, foam systems, water mist systems, dry chemical systems, and galley wet chemical extinguishing systems. Each system has its own operational parameters, safety precautions, and inspection requirements that seafarers must fully understand. When inspecting extinguishing systems, Filipino crew members verify cylinder pressures, nozzle condition, hose integrity, valve positions, and accessibility. Fixed CO2 cylinders must be checked for correct weight, tightness, and securing arrangements. Portable extinguishers should be inspected monthly, ensuring they are fully charged, properly secured, and free of corrosion or damage. These inspections must meet both SOLAS and Classification Society survey requirements. Certain fire extinguishers and equipment may be serviced on board. These typically include water extinguishers, foam extinguishers, dry chemical powder extinguishers, basic hose and nozzle maintenance. However, some equipment requires specialized servicing ashore, such as CO2 cylinders, fixed fire suppression systems, pressure testing of SCBA cylinders, halon replacement or hydrostatic testing. Understanding these classifications ensures compliance with regulations and prevents unauthorized servicing. For equipment authorized for onboard maintenance, the crew performs refilling, cleaning, lubrication, replacement of seals, leak checks, and operational testing. All maintenance must strictly follow the manufacturer's manual, the ship's safety management system, and relevant SOLAS and IMO circulars. Fixed CO2 systems protect machinery spaces and cargo holds. During inspection, the crew checks release mechanisms, lockout pins, alarms, pressure gauges, and integrity of distribution piping. Ventilation dampers, fire doors, and fan shutdowns are integral parts of the ship's fire containment system. During inspections, seafarers check for smooth operation, correct closing, proper sealing, and functional remote controls. When dangerous goods are involved, firefighting becomes more complex. The IMDG code classifies hazardous materials and provides specific guidance on fire behavior, extinguishing agents, and crew protection. Depending on the cargo class, extinguishing methods may include boundary cooling, isolation, or complete avoidance of water or foam when reactive substances are present. Throughout all inspections and emergency responses, coordination between the bridge, the fire party, and the engine room team is essential. Clear communication using standard maritime protocols ensures that the correct systems are activated and the right extinguishing agents are applied. In summary, fire detection and extinguishing systems are vital components of maritime safety. Mastery of these areas ensures the safety of the vessel, protection of life, and full compliance with international maritime regulations. Continue strengthening your competence as professional Filipino seafarers.